Oh god, these hiccups. Just you wait until I get home. I cannot wait to go home and drink some water. Oh, it's on. It's on. Oh my god, this wind. Oh my god! It would be better if I not have hiccups. It's making me so mad. I swear, if I hiccup one more time, I am going to punch myself in the throat. Wait. Can my hiccups hear me? I literally just said I was gonna punch myself in the throat if I hiccuped one more time. And I'm not hiccuping anymore. What? Is that the thing? If you just threaten yourself to punch yourself in the throat, then your hiccups go away? What? I am not hiccuping. I'm literally not hiccuping. When I literally said I'm gonna punch myself in the throat. Did I just find a new technique to stop myself or anybody from hiccuping? You just threaten yourself to punch yourself in the throat and then your hiccups go away? What? No way! Did I just find a new technique to make hiccups go away? You just say to yourself you're gonna punch yourself in the throat and then your hiccups go away. No way. I literally thought I was gonna walk all the way back home just to drink a little bit of water, or some water, to make my hiccups go away. And then just go back out because of it. What? No way. Wow. I guess me telling my hiccups I was gonna punch myself in the throat worked. Well, what the heck? So what was the point of all of that? What was the point of all that walking? Well, I mean, I guess I could just turn around. My hiccups are gone. I cannot believe that worked. I seriously cannot believe that worked. Well, guys, I guess that's the new technique now to get rid of hiccups. You just tell yourself that you're going to punch yourself in the throat, and then your hiccups are gone. Just like that. Well, I guess we learned something new today.